It's going smooth over here.
It may look like they're going slowly, but at scale, it's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Probably 45 miles an hour.
I mean, how much faster can it go?
60. 60 is the maximum speed between Jacksonville and Miami.
Seems to be running okay now. It seems like it's jumping the track.
Did we split a switch? We split a switch.
Split a switch.
Train 102's on the ground.
Again. That's the second time that's happened now.
Yes, I don't. That one doesn't make sense, but I guess it does. We're all right. It split the switch and went on the ground again. The lead, the second truck on the lead broke along. We're good now, but it was right there. I'll stop on Horse Creek Bridge if anybody wants a shot.
Yeah, that'd be tight.
Horse Creek Bridge? Yeah, that will be tight.
This one should be coming back out. Right. It's going to turn.
All right, here we go.
It's going to. I've got. Maybe it's just been going back ever since.
Honey, this one's moving. Why don't you watch it?
See train wire.
I'm gonna watch it.
You just say I just see the house.
I'm gonna watch this one.
Tying up in the ground yard.